Hello there and welcome back. In this lecture, I will start the conversation with ChatGPT. I'm so excited for this conversation. So, let's start by typing what is ChatGPT? And this is the response. ChatGPT is an AI language model developed by OpenAI. So, we will ask ChatGPT about OpenAI later on this lecture, but for now, let's keep going. It's a pre-trained transformer-based model that uses deep learning to generate human-like text based on the input it receives. That means a pre-trained transformer-based model refers to a specific type of deep learning model trained on a large crops of the text data like books, articles, and web pages. This model uses a technique called transformer. This to learn how to understand and generate human-like language. When you send a text prompt to this model, it will use pre-trained knowledge of language to generate a response, and that is meant to be similar to how a human might respond. ChatGPT is designed to perform a variety of natural language tasks, such as answering questions, generating text, and engineering conversations. Now, I believe we would like to learn more about OpenAI at this point. So, I will continue this conversation by asking ChatGPT what is OpenAI, and I will send this message. So, this is the response. OpenAI is a research organization founded in 2015, which is the goal of prompting and developing friendly AI in a responsible way. It's ending now the response, and I think this is the important thing. OpenAI develops and releases several AI mods and tools, including the highly ranged language model GPT-3, which has been used for a variety of natural language processing tasks. As you can see, this is a conversation between me and AI. It's not search about specific something. So let's check that with GPT. Is ChatGPT a search engine? And this is the surprised response. ChatGPT is not a search engine. It's an AI language model designed to generate human-like text based on the input it receives. While it can be used to answer questions and provide information, it's not a search engine in the traditional sense. Search engines like Google, Bing, and Yahoo are designed to search the internet and return relevant results based on a user's query. It's really amazing. It gives me an examples about search engine. So in this lecture, we had a conversation with ChatGPT, and in the next lecture, we will start a conversation with our chatbot. So go now to the lecture and find out what you will reach after completing this course. Thank you. See you in the next lecture.